Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech, and this is the reason why I have to switch, pun intended, a power strip for this 90 degrees angled and individually switch controllable power strip by HAMA. This is the HAMA XL 6-way power strip that comes with an overvoltage protection and individual switch for each socket. Now there is a main switch that powers up all 6 sockets all the way up to the last one, and you can also control each one of them individually, or with a single touch you can switch off all 6 sockets. Now here we have all the specification and technical data for this power strip, and here is a list in different languages with all the key features of this power strip. This comes with a 2-year warranty, and as it is obvious, this is the black version of this. There is also a white version, and again both versions have this 90 degrees angle for your power cables. So let's open this box and check the power strip itself closely. It's a little bit stuck in there, and here we have it. Well, it doesn't seem to have a manual. The box is empty, and okay, here we have the manual. It's a little bit squeezed, but you can see here it has a great variety of languages to be informed for the product specification. Enough with this, let's check the power strip. This is a great product for managing external peripherals. Keep always power on each device, or leaving a device plugged in but not powering up, and still you can turn off all 6 sockets. Let's untie this. Now the cable has quite a length to it, no complaints here, so you just have to plug the cable on your wall plug to power the power strip. Overall this feels a solid product. So this was the unboxing of the HAMA 6-way individually switchable power strip. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.